Hello, my name is Brandan Davies. I'm a criminal defense lawyer based here in Overland Park, Kansas with the law firm of Roth Davies. In this video, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about case law and how it works. Now, everyone knows that we ourselves don't make the laws. We go out, we vote, we obtain legislators. Through these votes, those legislators are tasked with making the laws for the general population. Those legislators will propose bills to the legislative body. Those bills will get voted on. Once there's a certain number of votes obtained, those bills will pass, and then the governor will sign off on that and it becomes a new law. Obviously, legislators, they can't anticipate every fact scenario that may be impacted by the enactment of a new law. This is where lawyers and judges come in. In a criminal case, once a prosecutor believes that a law has been violated, they will go to a judge, get an arrest warrant, and that arrest warrant will get sent out to law enforcement, the person will be arrested, and then a criminal case begins. Once the case begins, a prosecutor will file a complaint charging a person with a crime, and that person will be put on notice of the law in which the prosecutor believes that they've broken. Generally, a person will go hire a criminal defense lawyer. That criminal defense lawyer will look at the complaint, look at the law, and make a determination on whether they think that the law has been broken. Now, very commonly, there'll be a disagreement. The prosecutor will think that the interpretation of the law is this way. The criminal defense lawyer will think that the interpretation of the law is different. This difference of opinion is actually good because it's going to help clarify the law. This process of arguing over the interpretation of the law will go in front of a judge, and the case will be litigated, and then ultimately a judge will decide what the law says and whether a person violated the law or not. At this point, the lawyers may still disagree. They may still disagree with each other, and they may disagree with the judge's decision. Then the lawyers will file an appeal. And ultimately, once that case goes up on appeal, no matter how far it goes, whether it's the Court of Appeals or the Supreme Court, then there will be an ultimate decision on that case. Once the appeals process is exhausted and an ultimate decision has been reached, then precedent is created. Now, precedent is essentially applying the facts of the case to the law of the land and determining what the law is to that specific set of facts. Now, other lawyers can go out after precedent is set, and they can look at how the law was determined in that case is going to dictate how the law is determined in their case. This is known as case law. Now, once precedent is set and case law has been created, then other judges and other lawyers are bound by that interpretation. Other judges will look to case law in help determining their case to keep things consistent in the interpretation of a specific law. Now, case law is very important. It allows a lawyer to do some research on a case. It allows a lawyer to give advice to a person that comes in with a specific set of facts because they can find a similar case that has already been decided and help give that person accurate advice on what the law is. If you have any questions about the law, current case law, or your case, feel free to contact our office at 913-451-9500.